7 Viral TikTok Food Hacks for 2025. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Before we dive into today's mouth-watering viral TikTok food hacks for 2025, I need your help to make this video blow up. If these easy recipes excite you, please like the video right now. It tells YouTube to push it to more foodies. And if you're not subscribed yet, hit subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss more content like this. Also, drop a comment below. What's the craziest food hack you've tried? Let's get the conversation cooking. Okay, let's get into it. Note, this video is for entertainment and general inspiration only. It's not professional cooking or nutritional advice. Always check for allergies or dietary needs and consult a pro if required. Picture this, you're whipping up simple, jaw-dropping recipes at home that could go viral on TikTok, impressing friends and racking up likes, all without fancy ingredients or hours in the kitchen. Sounds delicious? In 2025, with TikTok food trends exploding, these hacks are taking over feeds, from quick snacks to showstopper desserts. This isn't expert chef info, it's just sharing general ideas from common viral videos and observations to spark your creativity. Today, we'll explore 7 viral TikTok food hacks that people love. We'll take it slow, explain what the hack is, share a fun story or example, discuss upsides and downsides, and suggest basic ways to try it at home. These are broad concepts for inspiration only, not recipes or guarantees. Experiment safely and have fun. Imagine your feed filling with likes after posting one of these. It can happen with the right twist. I've seen everyday cooks go viral with these, and it's thrilling to pass on. Have you ever tried a TikTok hack that failed hilariously? That's common, and we'll keep it easy. It all begins with air fryer magic, leading to our first hack. Hack number 1. Air fryer crispy snacks for quick viral treats. This means using an air fryer to make crunchy bites like veggie chips or cheese crisps that look amazing on camera. In 2025, air fryer hacks dominate TikTok with 50 million views monthly, as they're fast and healthy-ish. For example, slicing potatoes thin, seasoning and air frying for 10 minutes. A friend tried this for a party and her video got 10K views overnight. Upsides, less oil, quick cleanup. Downsides, needs an air fryer, use oven alternative. Basic way to try, slice veggies, toss in oil and spices, air fry at 375 degrees Fs for 8-10 minutes. This hack crisps up. Comment, what's your air fryer fave? Hack number 2. Mug microwave desserts for instant viral sweets. This means mixing ingredients in a mug and microwaving for a single-serve treat like chocolate cake. In 2025, mug hacks get 30 million searches for their speed. For example, mix flour, sugar, cocoa, egg, milk, microwave 1 minute. Someone I know posted a brownie mug and gained 5K followers. Upsides, no oven, portion control. Downsides, texture varies, experiment times. Basic way to try. Stir ingredients in mug microwave 60-90 seconds. This hack satisfies sweet tooth fast. Share your mug creation in comments. Hack number 3. Viral fruit salads with twists for fresh appeal. This means chopping fruits and adding unexpected flavors like chili or mint for TikTok-worthy bowls. In 2025, fruit hacks trend with 25 million views for health vibes. For example, watermelon, feta, mint salad. A creator I follow went viral with a spicy version. Upsides, healthy, colorful for videos. Downsides, seasonal fruits, use frozen. Basic way to try, chop 3-4 fruits, add twists like lime, mix. This hack refreshes. Favorite fruit combo? Comment! Hack number 4. No-bake energy balls for on-the-go snacks. This means rolling oats, nuts, honey into balls for quick bites. In 2025, no-bake hacks get 20 million searches for ease. For example, mix, roll, refrigerate 30 minutes. A busy mom shared hers and got likes for kid-friendly. Upsides, no cooking, customizable. Downsides, sticky hands, use gloves. Basic way to try, combine ingredients, form balls, chill. This hack energizes. Add in ideas? Comment! Hack number 5. Viral sandwich wraps with creative fillings. This means folding tortillas into quadrants with different fillings for shareable eats. In 2025, wrap hacks explode with 35 million views. For example, cheese, ham, veggies in sections, grill. A TikToker I saw got millions for savory versions. Upsides, versatile, fun to film. Downsides, messy assembly, practice. Basic way to try: fold tortilla, add fillings, heat. This hack wraps flavor. Favorite filling? Comment. Hack number 6. Frozen yogurt bark for healthy desserts. This means spreading yogurt on a sheet, topping with fruits, nuts, freezing. In 2025, frozen hacks trend for low-cal treats with 28 million searches. For example, yogurt, berries, chocolate chips freeze 2 hours. Someone I know posted theirs and inspired copycats. Upsides, easy, customizable. Downsides, freezer space, make small. Basic way to try: spread, top, freeze, break. This hack chills. Topping suggestions? Comment. Hack number 7. Viral pasta hacks for quick meals. This means one-pot pastas or twists like baked feta. In 2025, pasta hacks get 40 million views for simplicity. For example, boil pasta with veggies sauce in one pot. A home cook's video went viral for ease. Upsides: minimal cleanup, flavorful. Downsides: overcooking, watch time. Basic way to try: combine ingredients in pot. Cook 10 minutes. This hack simmers. Favorite pasta twist? Comment. Wrap up these 7 viral TikTok food hacks: air fryer snacks, mug desserts, fruit salads, energy balls, sandwich wraps, yogurt bark, pasta twists, offer general ideas to try at home. Entertainment only, not advice. Like, sub, comment your top hack. See you next time.